Please let me know if you have any questions.
No questions at the moment. Everything is clear.
Great. I just wanted to make sure you are informed.
I appreciate you calling to let me know.
No problem at all.
Thanks again, James.
You're welcome. Talk to you soon.
Talk soon. Bye. Appointment scheduling. Dialogue 1. Hello, City Clinic. This is Lisa speaking.
Hello, my name is Kevin.
How can I help you?
I'd like to schedule an appointment.
Sure. What kind of appointment do you need?
I need to see the doctor.
Okay. Is there any day you prefer?
Is there any availability this week?
Yes. We have time on Thursday.
Thursday is good for me.
What time works for you?
Morning, please.
We have 10 a.m. available.
Yes, that is fine.
May I have your phone number?
Yes, it is 555-1234.
Thank you. Your appointment is on Thursday at 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need anything else?
Actually, I need to reschedule my appointment.
No problem. What day do you want instead?
Friday morning, please.
Friday at 11 a.m. is available.
That works for me.
Great. Your appointment is changed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you then.
Bye.
Appointment scheduling. Dialogue 2.
Good morning, Riverside Dental Clinic. This is Daniel speaking.
Hi, Daniel. My name is Maria.
How may I help you today?
I'd like to schedule an appointment with the dentist.
Of course. Is this your first visit with us?
No, I've been there before.
Great. Is there any availability this week that works for you?
I was hoping for something later this week.
We have openings on Wednesday and Friday.
Friday would be better for me.
What time are you available on Friday?
Anytime in the afternoon.
We have a 3:30 p.m. slot available.
That should be fine.
May I confirm your contact number, please?
Sure. It's 987-6543.
Thank you. Your appointment is booked for Friday at 3:30 p.m.
Actually, I need to reschedule my appointment.
No problem at all. What day would you prefer instead?
Would next Monday be possible?
Yes, we have availability at 10 a.m.
That works perfectly for me.
Great. I've updated your appointment.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We'll see you on Monday.
See you then. Have a nice day. Asking for help or advice. Dialogue 1.
Hi, Lucy. This is Ben.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
I'm okay, but I need some help.
Sure. What's the problem?
I wanted to ask your opinion about something.
Okay, tell me.
I have a job interview tomorrow.
That's great, but why are you worried?
I feel nervous.
That's normal.
Could you give me some advice?
Yes, practice your answers tonight.
Okay, what else should I do?
Wear clean clothes and be on time.
That's good advice.
Also, smile and speak clearly.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
What would you do in this situation if you were me?
I would stay calm and be confident.
That's a good idea.
I feel better now.
I'm glad I could help.
Thanks for your time.
No problem. Good luck tomorrow. Asking for help or advice. Dialogue 2.
Hi, Rachel. Do you have a few minutes to talk?
Hi, Tom. Sure. What's going on?
I wanted to ask your opinion about something important.
Of course. I'm listening.
I'm thinking about changing my job, but I'm not sure.
That's a big decision. What's making you think about it?
I don't feel motivated at my current job anymore.
I understand. That can be frustrating.
Could you give me some advice?
I think you should think about what you really want.
That makes sense.
Also, look at your finances before making a decision.
Yes, that's important.
What would you do in this situation if you were me?
I would start looking for a new job first.
That's a smart approach.
You don't have to rush. Take your time.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
I'm glad I could help.
I really appreciate your advice.
Anytime. Let me know what you decide.
I will. Thanks again.
No problem at all.
Talk to you soon. Urgent call. Dialogue 1. Hello?
Hello? Hi, Mia. It's Jack.
Jack? Is everything okay?
I need your help right now.
Oh no, what happened?
Something unexpected just happened.
Are you safe?
Yes, but I'm scared.
Where are you now?
I'm at home.
What is the problem?
I fell and hurt my leg.
Can you stand up?
No, I can't move well.
This is urgent. I'm coming now.
Thank you.
Do you need an ambulance?
Yes, please call one.
Okay, stay calm and don't move.
I will.
Help is on the way.
Thank you so much.
I'll be there soon.
Okay, see you.
Urgent call. Dialogue 2. Hello, this is Sophie.
Sophie, this is Daniel. This is urgent. Can you talk?
Yes, I can. What's going on?
I need your help right now.
Okay, take a breath and tell me what happened.
Something unexpected just happened at my apartment.
Are you injured or in danger?
I think I hurt my arm pretty badly.
Can you move it at all?
Barely. It's very painful.
Where exactly are you?
I'm at home, alone.
All right, I'm going to call emergency services for you.
Thank you. I wasn't sure what to do.
Try to stay calm and sit down.
Okay, I'm sitting now.
Help should arrive in a few minutes.
I really appreciate this.
I'll stay on the phone with you.
That makes me feel better.
Can you unlock your door for them?
Yes, I can do that.
Good. Just focus on breathing slowly.
All right, I hear sirens now.
Great. They're almost there.
Thank you so much, Sophie.
Fire emergency call. Dialogue 1.
Fire department, what is your emergency?
Hello, my name is Tom.
Yes, Tom. Tell me what happened.
There is a fire in my house.
Are you in danger right now?
Yes, I'm scared.
Where are you calling from?
I am at 12 Green Street.
Is the fire big or small?
It is getting big.
Is anyone else in the house?
Yes, my wife is here.
Can you both go outside now?
Yes, we are going outside.
Good. Do not take anything with you.
Okay.
Are you safe outside now?
Yes, we are outside.
Help is on the way.
Thank you.
Please stay away from the house.
Okay, we will.
The fire truck will arrive soon.
Thank you for helping us.
Fire emergency call. Dialogue 2.
Fire and emergency services, how can I help you?
Hello, this is Alex. There's a fire in my apartment.
Stay calm, Alex. Where are you located?
I'm at 45 Oak Street, apartment 3B.
Thank you. Can you tell me what's burning?
The fire started in the kitchen.
Is the fire spreading?